We go into the next category, education and learning. And I request for the video, please.
Balaikosh is an application that works as an encyclopedia comprising of various subjects of general knowledge in Marathi language. The application is divided into encyclopedia, question bank, and dictionary. It also includes all content for all GK-based examinations. It contains 25,000 pages of information, 7,000 pictures, maps, and videos. For creating an application that works as an encyclopedia comprising of various subjects of general knowledge in Marathi language. Mera Library. Mera Library is an online e-book library that offers users with access to e-books in regional languages including Telugu, Bengali, Oriya, and Sanskrit. It also provides books in English. The library has users from 18 countries and is available on computer, Android, and Apple devices. We're creating an online platform for users to access ebooks in English and various regional languages. Pre-Exam is a web-based tool designed to help students evaluate and improve their preparations for various entrance exams. This software acts like a personal trainer to students and conducts chapter-wise and mock tests for students. These tests can be tailored as per the students' requirements. Currently, the portal has over 43,000 registered students with a website for across the country. We're creating a web-based tool designed to help students evaluate and improve their preparations for various entrance exams. A-View is an online platform created to supplement education with the help of online classrooms, meetings, trainings, and workshops. It attempts to deal with the problem of shortage of well-qualified teachers. It uses seamless live videos and audio interactions, 3D viewer, and live quiz feature. 50,000 teachers have been trained into using A-View, and over 41 institutes, including IIT, use this platform to teach courses to students. We're creating an online platform to supplement education with the help of online classrooms, meetings, trainings, and workshops. Tiruba Solar Edu Projector is an eco-friendly, Wi-Fi-enabled portable HD DLP LED projector with a built-in computer that works on Android operating system. It is preloaded with SSC board syllabus for standard 1 to 10. The target students are Zilla Parishad schools, corporation schools, and private unaided schools. The system has content for both students and teachers.
To honor this category, may I call Dr. Vivek Sawant ji, please come on the stage, who is the MD of Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation. May I now request Pratham, who is finalist in this category, to please come on the stage. Thank you for coming all the way. And may I now request Living Tree, who is also a finalist. Living Tree. Thank you. Now I will call a special mention Solar Edu Projector. Very impressive innovation. Solar Edu Projector. Award तो ले लीजिए. बहुत खुश हैं आप लगता है. Yeah, Milind is like that. A view, a special mention. You can come this side. Prexam. Prexam is the winner. Prexam.com. from this side. And Bala Ikosh, who is a winner in this category, Bala Ikosh. And from Kerala, Mera Library, please come on the stage, Shabir. Everybody who wants to have their book published without hassle, talk to Shabir of Mera Library. This is one of the biggest category in terms of the people, getting recognized. It looks like the whole award here. So can we have the floating mic from one hand to the other to have your feelings captured? Pratham first.
Yeah, Pratham. I think award makes more responsible. Thank you, Manthan, to recognizing, and we will be more responsible in future. Thank you.
Thank you. Milind, please.
Thank you, Manthan, and it is a proud moment for all Tiruba team. This is world's first Android solar power projector. We want to install it in every village. That is our dream across world. Thank you very much. We'll have more products coming in, like a telemedicine working on again, telemedicine device working on again on the same solar power, because we believe excellent quality. What Pradeep Lokhande said, excellent quality for the rural market.
अरे अभी तो आपको थैंक्स बोलना था इतने सारे
Thank you,
लोगों
thank
ने।
you, sorry, thank you.
Thank you, Sama sir, Ravi sir. Thank you very much.
अरे आप तो बहुत हम्बल निकले। मलाई
नमस्कार, मी निलेश छडवेलकर. ज्ञान ही आजकाल मानवाच्या तिघ गरजा सोडल्यानंतर अति महत्त्वाची एक मूलभूत गरज आहे आणि ते आम्ही बलई कोश ह्या माध्यमातून सगळ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचवतो आहे. त्याला मंथन अवॉर्डने रिकग्नाईज केलं आणि हा पुरस्कार देऊन आतापर्यंत आम्ही 70,000 लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचलेलो आहेत, परंतु ते लाखांपर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी एक प्रेरणा मिळाली. त्याच्याबद्दल मी मंथन टीमचं आभार व्यक्त करतो आणि अतिशय सुंदर असा हा कार्यक्रम ऑर्गनाईज केला त्याच्याबद्दल त्यांचं अभिनंदनही करतो. धन्यवाद.
Sam.
Thank you. We are from Team AView. It was a great learning experience here. And we hope that all learners in the most remotest part of the country gets to learn from the best teachers in the country and in the world. Thank you.
Thanks, Manthan, for creating this wonderful platform for all the people who are doing good. And this will definitely encourage everyone to keep the work going. Thanks.
Sawant Saab.
Congrats to all the winners, and a very big hand to Ravi Ghate and Osama, actually. For the first time, I am seeing so many great achievers in the field of learning here on one dais. The word learning, if you look at the spelling, if you just keep L little aside, what remains is earning. Okay? So learning is never complete unless earning takes place. And I am so delighted that all these people have not only earned knowledge, confidence, but also have earned awards. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Long live Manthan.
Thank you. Which also means if you learn, you will earn. One group photo, please. Thank you. So all the winners, after winning, don't leave the room. We will have one last group photo with one person from each winners on the stage to have a collective photograph. Now we will get into the next category called ENGO category. Can we have the video, please?
Anti-Hacking Anticipation Society is India's first NGO fighting against cyber crimes. Apart from organizing seminars with the police, the society provides legal assistance required in cyber law. The objective of the society is to educate children and young adults on the dangers and consequences of cybercrime and promote ethics of online behavior. For creating a platform for spreading awareness on cyber crimes and promote ethics of online behavior. Positive Sathi is the first matrimonial website for people living with HIV. So far, 250 individuals have found their partners through Positive Sathi. Running successfully for 8 years, the website has developed objectives to eradicate stigma and discrimination in the society and has been educating people about HIV and misconceptions. For creating a matrimonial platform connecting people living with HIV and building awareness towards eradicating HIV stigma and discrimination in the society. Responsible Netism promotes responsible online behavior among students aged between 10 to 25. In collaboration with Thane and Mumbai cyber cells, Responsible Netism conducts one-time, one-hour interactive sessions in educational institutions. The program not only targets children, but also parents, teachers, corporate and government professionals. Currently implemented within Thane, Responsible Netism has interacted over 50,000 individuals. For creating a platform that promotes interactive sessions on responsible online behavior, eItihas is an application that uses technology to empower people from rural areas from across India in their day-to-day life. It includes career guidance using mobile phone, website, SMS, etc. eItihas also helps students who are studying for competitive exams such as civil services. It is also actively involved in activities like promoting computer literacy in rural areas. For creating an application that uses technology to empower people from rural areas across India in their day-to-day life. Project Utkarsh is an online platform that aims to bring qualitative and accountable change to mass school education through technology and quiz-based learning system. It provides online exposure to students from tribal and rural areas who have never used computers or tablets. It also provides self-learning study material and interactive tools such as Smart Class for effective teaching and online assignments. For creating a platform that aims to bring qualitative and accountable change to mass school education through technology and quiz-based learning system.
Thank you. To honor this category, can I call Dr. Shrikar Pradeshi, IS officer, IGR stamps, to come on the stage. We have 3 winners here and 2 special mention. eItihas, a special mention. eItihas. Wow. I am overwhelmed. So I will have to humbly request all of you to please go back and leave one person here only. Yet you can take the group photo and then you can go. हम लोग अपना आपको फोटो भेज देंगे, आप फोटोशॉप में लगा दीजिए. नहीं नहीं, बहुत अच्छी बात है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, जस्ट जगह थोड़ी कम है. Thank you. The next is Project Utkarsh, which is by Moini Foundation, a special mention from Udaipur. And now I will call winners. Responsible Netism from Ahan Foundation. Responsible Netism. Everybody who do internet, they must talk to them how to be responsible. Positive Sathi. Positive Sathi, winner. Matrimonial site for people who with positive, no negative. Next is Hans, Anti-Hacking Anticipation Society. Hans, who is a winner. So now I know why every winner and special mention has lots of people, because it's an NGO category. You know, we go together everywhere. Good. So can we have one sentence from each one of you? And so Eid Hayas, one line.
नमस्कार, मी शंतनू दीपक ससाने, ई ध्यास यूथ फोरम. आम्ही सुरुवात केला ध्यासचा तेव्हा फक्त 4 जण होतो. 4 म्हणजे 4च होतो खरोखर, असं म्हणतो त्यासाठी नाही. आणि आम्ही स्वतःला 4 पिलर्स म्हणून घ्यायचो. आज तुम्ही पाहिलंच की किती जण झालेलो आहे. या मंथनसाठी खूप खूप धन्यवाद. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच टू मंथन, ओसामा सर, रवी सर एंड माय ध्यास टीम.
हमने एक सेंटेंस बोला था आपसे. प्रोजेक्ट उत्कर्ष. Project Utkarsh.
I'll take few sentences, you know, it's very important here. I think the one sentence I want to kind of, you know, put for the Manthan, which I've realized while I was working in the project is, there are problems to be solved and there are problems to be eliminated. So let's make sure we decide, you know, we make a right choice what we are working on. Because I've seen, you know, a lot of effort going waste on the ground. So I think that is one, sentence to the Manthan, you know, I can just put in. And I just want to thank Osama and Ravi especially for creating this fantastic platform to interact with a lot of, you know, good people. And I think this comes as a bonus. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Responsible Netism. Responsible Netism.
Manthan, thank you for empowering us in the real today. It meant a lot to us. And we look forward to collectively building a cyber-safe world for our children and for ourselves. Thank you so much.
Positive Sathi.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मंथन फैमिली. समुद्र मंथन से अमृत निकलता है, वैसे आपने सब पार्टिसिपेंट को इतना अमृत दिया है कि जिंदगी भर काम करेंगे.
Hans. Hans.
Hi all. I would like to say thanks to Ravi and Osama's Manthan team. I also want to thank my team and for their support and work. Currently, we are connected with very few states, making them cybercrime free, but we promise you all, we'll make the whole world cybercrime free. Thank you so much, and I would like to wish all the very best to each and every NGO here.
Thank you.
Hearty congratulations to all. I am keen to know about their work in detail. Thank you.
Wonderful, yes. We will send you the video and the form and the nomination form and everything.
Not only
yeah.
this category,
yeah,
all categories.
Yeah, they all are online, by the way. But yes,
thank you.
You'll have to depute people to read them. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Social media for empowerment. The next category, can we have the video, please?
Pooch is a mobile application which acts as an answering engine and answering service through SMS. This hybrid technology provides answers based on information that is available in the public domain. Pooch currently supports most mainstream Indian languages and has over 2 lakh users across 18 states in India. For creating a mobile app that provides answers based on information that is available in the public domain. Improve My City Pune is a mobile app that enables citizens of Pune to report local problems using Android smartphone. The application connects with local municipalities, local citizens and residents. It provides two-way communications between the government and the citizens. The service has currently resolved more than 60 issues in Pune. For creating a mobile application that enables citizens of Pune to report on local problems using Android smartphone. For creating a mobile application that enables citizens of Pune to report on local problems using Android smartphone.
Thank you. To honor this category, can I call Mr. Sanjay Katkar, CTO of Quick Heal? Sanjay. I would request Boomla, the finalist in this category, to please come on the stage. Boomla. Boomla has a lot of potential, I guess, but Improve My City Pune, a special mention. Please come on the stage. Improve My City Pune. There's so many want to improve the city. Pooch. If there are so many people to ask questions, I don't know how many replies you need. Good, so can we have one sentence from each one of you? Boomla.
Thanks everybody. It was nice being here. And Bomlatra. Thank you.
Improve My City Pune.
Thanks Manthan for giving us such a fabulous platform. And IMC is all about reporting city issues using your smartphone. Whenever you see an issue, just don't ignore it, just report it. So we say that stop ignoring and start reporting.
Stop ignoring, start reporting. Use Android, right? It's an Android app. If you don't have Android app, talk to them, they will give you a free Android phone. Pooch.
Yeah, I'd like to say so many things, but since we don't have time, I'd like to say thank you to Manthan, but I won't say it because we don't have time, and especially Osama and his team, but I won't say it because we won't have time. I'd like to say thank you to our families who've dedicated so much of their, kept us away from home, and we have been working days and nights. We're a startup, and this is the first award that we've applied for, and I'd like to say thank you for it being recognized, and but I won't say that also. I'll just say, pooch it. When you have any question about anything, just download the POOCHH app from the Android store and just pooch it. It's free, and you get all answers to any question that you can think of. It's not a search engine. It's a simple answering engine. Thank you.
All the questions which you couldn't ask our teachers in the school because we were afraid, we can now ask them.
Absolutely.
Thank
For
you
your
so
PNR
much.
status, if you can go back to Delhi.
Sanjay.
Yeah, I'll not take too much. I'll congratulate all the winners and thank you, Manthan, for creating such a wonderful platform for celebration success. And all the best to all the winners.
And everybody who doesn't have antivirus on their machine, talk to Sanjay for free quick heal. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you.
A group photo. Chairman. Thanks.